know, photogenic and shit. Look mad handsome and shit on camera, you feel me?
Alright, where we headed?
What the fuck is it called? Wappingsburg?
Oh, Mario Kart. Wappinger Falls.
Wappinger Falls.
To get
Acura.
To get an Acura?
What is that? Oh, that's Corvette. We gonna get an Acura. We going to Acura of Wappinger Falls to get an Acura.
That's why I was telling him to drive, and he's been driving like a out of all days. Today.
We would have been there already.
Oh shit, it's my Accord.
Your mom.
This is faster
Bro,
than
you
the
remember what we
Accord.
talked about the other day? Like every once in a blue moon, like you gotta clear the carbon deposits out of an engine.
Yeah, clear
Your mom
them.
probably drives this thing like crazy, so you could drive it a little bit aggressive and we could be alright.
There's no between.
And yo, you know what happens? The best part about it is if it breaks, you're a fucking master mechanic, brother. It's all good.
I don't want to create more work for myself. I have enough work.
Good job security, dog.
That's just
As black as he.
Yeah, no. I like I'm a very like simplistic person, so I like how it has a little GR emblem on it.
Iggy, I'm recording, dog. Yes, for sure. He's gonna have to edit that out. But yeah, I know she's your type too. A little too skinny for my liking, dog, but she's definitely your type. And she's into cars. When I heard that, I said, oh shit, Raph is about to be on BT. This shit is pretty inside too. Look at all these gaiters and shit. This shit is nice. Test driving a new Lipski. This boy is crazy. He said, yo, I'll take it. I'm sold. He didn't even want to drive it.
That's how it was at the SI too.
Yeah, this shit got a little pickup though.
It got some torque to it.
Uh-huh.
To boost conversation.
No kizzy.
Or not to mention. This feels nice. This feels nice. I like this.
Yeah, this shit feels nice.
It's very responsive.
Hell yeah. It feels snappy as fuck.
Yeah.
How's the steering feel? Tight?
Yeah.
Yeah, this shit boogies already. Man, all types of shit.
I'm about to fire Frankie. How are you? He's gonna watch.
Yo, Frankie, you better chill out, boy. I'm coming for your job, dog. Yo, by the way, my shit started freezing up again on me, dog.
I saw the way you parked it. I was like, what the fuck? Yo, this shit is
Ooh, go ahead there. Break them tires loose.
Alright, so tell him how you're feeling. Don't show the gut.
My heart is racing
Why is it racing?
because I'm really getting this car.
So we didn't get the car because my credit shucks.
Look, you think I'm lying? I'm a little anxious. It's not gonna be like that one time when you try to kill me and give me the monster. But see, look, it's 99. It's up there. My resting rate is normally
It's 102.
it's 98. My resting rate is normally like 80.
We'll see how it goes.
Went the wrong door. I remembered you did it. Rafito got the Instagram and the whip. We in the bag, boy.
Passwords and shit. Yo,
And that's how you get done.
So we ended up getting the car. We actually went and picked it up yesterday. This is the day after. Shout out to Rianne and Acura of Wappinger Falls. If it wasn't for you guys, this wouldn't be possible. We had to go pick it up from New York, and then we went to go do photo shoots and all that stuff. The car drives way better than I thought it would. I mean, I couldn't ask for a better platform to start with. It's rear-wheel drive, LSD, manual transmission, black on black. If you know me, I had mainly all black cars. Shout out to my previous TLs. They're probably at some junkyard right now. What's coming in the next videos that you guys will see with the car is, I mean, I want to do a full overview of the car, full walk around. Obviously, I'm going to be driving it. It's my daily. So we'll probably drop another video in 2 to 3 days, just how I feel about the car, the first week of driving and stuff like that. Very in-depth, detailed review of the car. Then also we're going to be supplying you guys with what my plans are with the car, whether I'm going for speed, you know, road course, what are the first things I'm going to buy and do on the car. Everything's going to be covered on YouTube so you guys can see firsthand, build cheap, something I didn't do with the SI. The whole purpose of this car is to document everything that I'm doing on video, and also start a YouTube following, because everybody tells me that I need to start pumping out YouTube videos because I'm always building, breaking, or doing something car related. So that's where we're at with the car. It's a beautiful car. Again, shout out to Rianne, shout out to Acura Wappinger Falls. I got lucky with this car because nobody could get me one in CT, and I couldn't even go and put a deposit down.
No, I like